whenever you're making cuts like this where you're really demanding this be exactly 90 degrees with your tabletop, because we have the nylon set screws in the VerySuperCool fence, you're able to perfectly dial your fence in to absolute squareness. So you're not introducing another bit of error into your piece. So just in a couple minutes it takes to, I changed extrusions and then I added this and then I kind of squared everything up and dialed it in just a few minutes. That's a real nice feature for tenons or for this kind of stuff here where you're using a tall fence. But you saw me cut here, I didn't have one bit of rock. My Wiesmeyer is only that tall, and it's just not enough stability, but it's difficult to add a fence that long easily without clamps being in the way. But because of the connection points on the extrusions, it's very easy using the T-nuts and the tracks.